If you own a VW Polo 9N from the early 2000s, you know the center console struggle is real. That original cup holder is notorious for either jamming up or just completely disintegrating after years of use. This replacement, the 6Q0-858-602, claims to solve that decade-long headache instantly. We're talking about a direct, one-for-one replacement designed specifically for the 2002 through 2010 models. The beauty here is the fitment. It snaps right into the console slot where the old unit lived, requiring zero modification. This isn't some flimsy universal accessory. It's built to match the factory aesthetic perfectly. Holding it in your hand, the plastic quality feels robust, maybe even slightly better engineered than the original unit that VW shipped back in the day. For anyone who has wrestled with a sticky or broken cup holder in their Polo, the installation process alone is a breath of fresh air. It's a true plug-and-play scenario. You simply remove the old, failing unit, which usually involves a bit of gentle prying, and slide this new piece right in until you hear the satisfying click. It immediately restores that clean, factory look to the dashboard area. But the real test is functionality. Does it actually hold a modern-sized coffee cup? Yes, it handles standard cans and medium takeaway cups without issue, providing that much-needed stability during cornering. For anyone who relies on their car for daily commuting, having a reliable place for your drink is non-negotiable. This unit operates smoothly, sliding in and out without the sticky resistance that plagued the older mechanisms. It's a small detail, but when you're dealing with a car that's over 10 years old, restoring these minor functions makes the whole driving experience feel refreshed. It's the kind of quality of life improvement that makes you wonder why you didn't replace the broken one sooner. For the price of a few coffees, you restore a critical piece of interior functionality. If your Polo 9N is suffering from the dreaded broken cup holder syndrome, this specific part number is the essential, no-fuss solution. It's a simple fix that delivers massive daily convenience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.